This isn't a joke, Peter.
I know. I'm sorry. You're all right, though, right? I've got your jacket back. It's not as symbolic as mine, you know, not being your dad's and all. And it's brown, too, which is a mistake, because you're brown. I mean, brown on brown, who wears that? It's a bit matchy-matchy.
Yeah, it's actually a bit confusing. Half the time we think you're naked.
I just looked for the buttons, but then one time, it was your nipples.
No, thanks to him. Look at him. Skinny bag of wet. Now turn around and drive us home, Eugene. Here's good.
He's taking us into town.
So this is London. Wow. Big Ben. Wow. It's gigantic. I hope you appreciate this, Flopsy. I never got to travel when I was your age.
What? You were my age like 3 streets ago.
It goes so fast.
Whoa!